Nicely done, synchro. Now out to the left-hand side, slightly front left. Here comes the team in, just joining together now as they run in for a nice move and call it slalom. So red one calls them into a line astern. So they're now stacked down from top to bottom, red one to five. Red one, starts on the left-hand left here. Everybody below him needs to swing out to the right, using lots of rudder, rather like a pendulum. On the right-hand side of the simulation, and this one over there comes on the left. So in this case, it's the other way around. There's 3 and 5 on the right, there's 2 and 4 on the left, but we need to get them back to where they should be. So this is the clever part of the slalom. Complete trust and coordination is required in that maneuver, which is why we spend 7 months of the year training up to be able to display like you see today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, he is put on the patriotic red, white, blue smoke. They now run past us in about a 3G turn, completing the slalom.